Wait, you're still doing that the long way in Photoshop? Here are 7 old workflows you can officially retire thanks to features added over the last few years. Number 1, enable the content-aware tracing pen tool. Are you still manually tracing shapes from photos using the pen tool? There's a faster way. Turn on the content-aware tracing tool. Go to Edit, Preferences, Technology Previews, and check the box that says Enable Content-Aware Tracing Tool. Anything in this preference window tab requires you to restart Photoshop. Once you relaunch, you'll have a new tool in your toolbar under the pen tool. This handy feature lets you just click parts of an object to make a path or shape. Now, you can generate clean vector shapes from images way faster without painstakingly clicking every anchor point yourself. Number 2, use the Object Selection tool. Are you still using the pen tool or magnetic lasso to cut people out? You don't have to. The Object Selection tool now lets you hover over a subject and click to select them instantly. And if you select people in the top options bar, Photoshop will detect faces and even let you target specific areas like hair, eyebrows, and clothing. Number 3, use the adjustment brush. Are you still adding an adjustment layer, filling the mask with black, and then painting in your corrections? You can skip a bunch of that by skipping straight to the adjustment brush tool. It's down here on the toolbar. Once you click it, all your options are on the top of your window, and you can make edits like brightness and contrast, exposure, selective color, lessening the amount of clicks and fills you have to make. Number 4 is pattern preview. Making seamless patterns used to be a whole ritual. You'd flatten your artwork, you'd have to offset it 50% horizontally and vertically and fix the seams and then repeat. You don't have to do that anymore. Now you can just go to View, Pattern Preview. Now you can see your design tile live as you build it, and it's especially cool since it's not destructive and you can use multiple layers. Number 5 is the sky replacement tool. Are you still manually masking out skies? Photoshop has a dedicated sky replacement tool now. All you have to do is go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and you can preview the different skies in real time. This lets you adjust lighting and color, and it builds a fully editable layer group for you. But even afterwards, you can hop into the individual settings in your layers panel and make further adjustments if you need to. All right, now let's flip it around and focus on the foreground. For number 6, we're talking about removing your background. Please tell me you're not still spending 20 minutes cutting things out. There's literally a button for it now. All you do is select your layer, click Remove Background, and Photoshop generates a mask instantly. If it's not perfect, don't worry, you can refine it using it the old-fashioned way, but now, at least you're starting at 80% instead of 0%. And finally, number 7 is the Harmonize feature. Are you still wrestling with blend modes, the dodge and burn tool, selective color, and 10 adjustment layers to make a composite look believable? Try Harmonize. Select an object and click this button on the contextual taskbar. It automatically adjusts color and lighting so your subject fits the surrounding scene. It even accounts for things like shadows. So that's it. If you learned Photoshop years ago, it might be time to unlearn a few habits. Let me know in the comments. I hope I saved you some time. If this was helpful, hit the like button, and for more quick tips and my weekly design show called File New, make sure you're following Adobe Live.